Here is another example on how to convert whole numbers in base 10 to base 5. Let's convert 557 base 10 to base 5. Solution. We divide repeatedly by 5. To do that, we draw a table. We place our number here, 557. Then the base we are converting it to 5 at the other side. Then we start dividing. 5 goes in 5, we have 1. 5 goes in 5, 1. 5 goes in 7, that's 1, remainder 2. So we divide by 5 again. 5 goes in 11, that's 2, remainder 1. 5 goes in 11, we have 2 again, remainder 1. Divide by 5 again, 5. 5 goes in 22, you have 4. 5 times 4, that's 20. When you take away 20 from 22, you have a remainder of 2. Divide by 5 again, 5. 5 goes in 4, 0, remainder 4. Then you take the remainders upwards. So therefore, 557 base 10 equals 4, 2, 1, 2 base 5. And that's how to convert 557 in base 10 to base 5. Thank you.